get the information. Is it correct? Is this the information? This is how I should talk. This is how I should think. This is the thought process. This is what happened last time. This is what happened to my colleague. Is it true? This is the channel which give all the information, which give variety of informations. Hi all, this is Sudha. It's good to meet you all again. I have seen your comments and feedback. It's happy to know about all these things. I try to work on the feedback so that I can able to provide you the better and high level videos. I request you to share this channel with your friends and colleagues who require this kind of information. That would be helpful for all. And also request you to watch this video till the end and provide a comments for the improvement. And if you require a different kind of information, different kind of topics to be talked on this channel, let me know by in a comments, or you can send an email to me. Let's look at the world's most famous unresolved mystery, Jack the Ripper, unidentified serial killer who killed almost 5 women. However, the case is not yet resolved. It has triggered a social reform. Between August and November 1888, he murdered at least 5 women, all prostitutes, in and near the Whitechapel district of London East. Despite countless investigations claiming definite evidence of the brutal killer identity, his or her name and motive are still unknown. Mystery is the way the brutal murderer approached the victims. He approached the victims offering a pay for the prostitution and takes to the nearby place where no one is there. There he sliced their neck so that they can't scream or they can't take help from others. Later, he would take an organ. In each murder, he has taken different organs like stomach, heart, and has so on. The way the killer takes away the parts of the body, it shows clearly the killer has a very well knowledge of anatomy of the body. It gives a clue that killer could be a doctor or physician or having knowledge about it. And there is a clue as well indicates killer could be upper class person who hates a prostitution. Well, as the police started investigation on the first murder, they received a new letter from the murderer saying that, "Hi, I keep on hearing the police has caught me, but it's not true. I'm not a doctor." Now let's see the crime map. There are 5 victims. All the victims are within 1 kilometer. As per the police record, it says 5 victims. However, they found one more victim that could be also a suspect of the same murderer. First victim, Martha. It happened on August 7, 1888 on the building of George Yard. Second victim, Mary Nicholas, murdered in Bucks Row, Whitechapel. Annie Campbell, murdered in Hanburg Street. Elizabeth Wright, murdered in Berners Street. Catherine Eddowes, murdered in Milton Square, City of London. Mary Kelly, murdered in Though it is stated that the victims were prostitutes, there is a controversy theory which states there are 3 women who are not prostitutes. They are mother, daughter, and lover and wife of someone. Various theories about the Jack Ripper identity have been produced over the past several decades, which includes claims accusing a famous painter, Walter, Dr. Sir William, and Polish migrant, and even a grandson of Queen Victoria. Still, this mystery is not yet resolved due to the poor technology in those days, and this kind of events were not happened, so they doesn't have any awareness of it, and poor environment. And murderer himself, as murderer being a part of community, He extremely planned his action and escaped accordingly. Anyhow, later this incident, there is no prostitution in those area. If you visit the Whitechapel streets nowadays, you can see the museum where this case investigations. There you can find all the details about the evidence, the collection and scenes, the stages, all those things. And there is also a lot more if you go for the visit.